Worried about home security but don't want to spend a fortune? Many homeowners struggle with blind spots and unclear footage at night. This best budget security camera for home safety solves that problem. With sharp night vision and reliable motion detection, it keeps your home protected 24/7. Easy to install and smart home compatible, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking for affordable, high-quality security. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the Vstarcam. CB54 2 Kelvin's solar security camera offers a practical solution for anyone needing reliable outdoor protection. It delivers crisp 3 MP clarity, and with its 110 degrees wide-angle lens, it covers more space with ease. Moreover, the camera uses H.264 video compression, which helps save storage without reducing quality. It also features human detection, so it alerts users only when real movement occurs. Additionally, the PIR motion alarm ensures faster and more accurate notifications. Even at night, the color night vision mode provides bright, clear footage. Furthermore, its 5-watt solar panel keeps the built-in battery charged, making it truly wireless and low maintenance. The IP66 rating adds strong weather protection, allowing it to perform in harsh conditions. With two-way audio, cloud storage support, and simple wall-mounted installation, this camera becomes an excellent pick for beginners wanting a smart, affordable security upgrade. Next up, the Tuya Smart 4 MP dual-lens security camera brings wide and reliable home protection. It features a 2.5 Kelvin's resolution with dual lenses, allowing viewers to enjoy a full 180 degrees field of view. Every corner becomes visible, and blind spots are greatly reduced. This camera works through the Smart Life app, making control fast and simple. Moreover, it includes advanced AI human detection. This ensures the camera alerts only when needed. It also offers color night vision, so important details stay clear even in low light. The built-in siren adds extra security when motion is detected. Additionally, users get two-way audio for easy communication. The camera supports H.265 video compression, which saves storage and maintains high quality. Even better, it withstands harsh weather with its durable IP66 rating. The Tuya Smart 4 MP camera offers flexible mounting options. It can be installed on walls, poles, corners, or ceilings. With Wi-Fi support and a strong CMOS sensor, it delivers smooth performance. This makes it an excellent option for anyone seeking wide coverage and dependable outdoor protection. Let's continue with the XVIM 1150TYN2PK solar security camera. Delivers smart and reliable protection for any home. It features a 4 MP high-definition lens paired with a 120 degrees wide viewing angle, ensuring clear monitoring day and night. Because of the built-in 4800 mAh rechargeable battery and 5-watt solar panel, the camera works continuously without frequent charging. Moreover, the device includes motion detection powered by advanced AI. It sends instant alerts through the HomeMe Pro app, allowing quick action. Its full-color night vision and 12 meters IR distance make every detail visible, even in low light. Additionally, the camera supports two-way audio for easy communication. It offers flexible storage with both cloud service and a 128 GB TF card option. With an IP66 weatherproof rating, the XVIM camera performs well in harsh outdoor conditions. As a result, it becomes a dependable choice for secure, wireless, and energy-efficient monitoring. Now, let's move on to the Xiaomi MJSXJ08HL Outdoor CW500 security camera. Is designed for reliable home protection. It features dual lenses with 4 MP high-definition quality, delivering sharp and detailed video footage. The 2x optical zoom allows users to focus on specific areas with precision. Built for all weather conditions, this camera has an IP66 waterproof rating. It performs reliably in rain, heat, or cold, making it perfect for outdoor monitoring. The full-color night vision ensures clear images even in complete darkness, providing 24/7 security. Equipped with AI detection, it accurately identifies movements and reduces false alerts. Its 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allows fast and stable streaming directly to smart devices. Compact and easy to install, The Xiaomi CW500 enhances any smart home setup. It offers both performance and peace of mind for homeowners seeking dependable security. Finally, we have the DUREVIN 8 Kelvins 8x Zoom IP. Camera is a cutting-edge security solution for homes and businesses. Featuring 4 8MP lenses, it provides crystal clear 8 Kelvins resolution and a wide 85 degrees viewing angle. The 8x digital zoom allows users to focus on details without losing quality. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, this dome camera comes with an IP66 waterproof rating. Full-color night vision and a 30-meter IR distance ensure clear footage even in low-light conditions. Equipped with AI human detection, it accurately identifies movements and reduces false alerts. 3 of the screens support face recognition, enhancing security monitoring. Two-way audio enables real-time communication with visitors or intruders. With IC app support, 4G Wi-Fi, LAN connection, and cloud or TF card storage, the DUREVIN 8 Kelvins camera offers reliable, flexible, and high-performance surveillance.